Living in the end, a technique from greatest mystic Neville Goddard's teaching. Many people are mistaken this technique with fake it until you make it. But there's a difference. So I want to share a personal experience using this technique and a few examples that actually is in our reality every single day. Then a practice that you can practice right away today. So this is what I'm going to share with you guys today. So let's get into it. Fake it until you make it. Many people mistaken this living in the end is not for you to fake it in the material world, okay? It's for you to go within yourself and use the law of assumptions to assume that you already in the state of your desire, your dreams. For example, let's say you have a goal that you want to live somewhere in a nice condo, okay? Then living in the end, you will want to put yourself in the state of mind that you are already there. But I'm not talking about you thinking about how you're going to get there, but you are already there. So that being said, you want to feel like you're in the apartment, you're already in the condo already. That is your home right now, at this moment already. And you're going to feel all furnitures that you have in the condo. And maybe, who are you with? Are you by yourself or with your partner? Or maybe you can also add some of your friends that visit the condo. The timeline that you're there right now is going to be 3 months after you move in. Okay, you already settled down and you are already enjoying being there right here, right now, at this moment. So that is an example of living in the end. It's not about you spend a lot of money or buying so many stuff and pretend that you are already that person in the external world. No. So many people are mistaken these two are the same. So they do buy the stuff, they show on the social media and make people thinking, you're the one already. But that's not gonna work because that is more like a validation. Living in the end, you don't need any validation. You are making this movie scene, this scene within yourself, kept it within yourself, and you don't need to know how you're gonna get there. You just feel it and then act as you are already there. That's the key point, okay? You don't need to know how, you don't need to know what you're gonna do to get there. It's gonna become an automatic in action, okay? So here's my personal example. Back in 2020, when we had the lockdown, I had a societal awakening. So I started expose myself to books, seminars, different courses online. And I started imagining myself as an entrepreneur at that time. Multi-passionate, multiple stream income entrepreneur. That was the character that I imagined myself. I used the book, I used the courses, I used the seminar, webinar online to help me with this character that I want to become. So after a while, I started feeling, act, and walk, talk as that person. I don't even think about how am I gonna get there and how is this gonna be possible, because at that time my personal situation was totally opposite. Okay, I was still working on the night. I just got my real estate license. It's very complete different from what I was imagining. Okay, but I already played that character feel that I am that person and act like it and talk like it. Also start making content as that person as well on social media. So that being said, in 2022, I start experiencing that in my 3D reality. So I materialized, I became this character. So it took me about a year and a half or so to start experiencing it. I was receiving different income sources from different businesses, different work that I do, and one of them including real estate as a real estate agent in Southern California. So that was the first experience that I have using this technique, living in the end. Actually, at the time that I wasn't even aware of Neville Goddard, I wasn't exposed to any spiritual awakening contents or anything like that. The reason that I was able to connect the dots was after I started expose myself to spiritual awakening, starting watching the YouTube video, and starting from 2023 up until right now. And I connected that, traced back to my own experience and realized that, I'm already using this technique without me knowing it already. So that is telling you, we don't just move towards the future. The future will actually come to you. You will start experiencing, attracting, or having a glimpse of the future that you want to experience. That is an example of timeline jumping, quantum leaping, because our consciousness is the only true reality. What we experience in our consciousness is what projects into our external world. Another example that I can share with you guys is everyday life. Okay, so I want to take you guys back around the 80s or 70s in the United States. If you are old enough, you will understand what I'm saying here. A lot of marketing strategy, a lot of commercial already use this technique, living in the end technique in their commercial, in their marketing, in their funnels today, right? Because they're gonna show you, if you use their product, you're gonna become this way, you're gonna have this result. If you take their courses, you're gonna, let's say, have millions of dollars, right? Just give you an example. Or in the restaurant industry, they will show you their delicious dishes, delicious food that is already made, right? Living in the end, it's already done. It's already came out from the kitchen, right? They don't show you the process. They don't show you the learning process. In the marketing, in the commercial, they just show you the results that you're gonna get. And that's what attracts you wanting to use their product or visit their restaurant or take their courses, right? The elites already know this. A lot of business people, a lot of millions, billionaires today already know this technique, and they are using it in our daily life, in the TV we watch, the commercial. A lot of movies are also using this products in their scenes, in their movies, to showcase that the product is very cool, especially if you watch a lot of 007. They show a lot of watches, Rolex, in the movies, or vehicles too, right? Cars, BMWs. It will show you the end result. How are you gonna feel when you drive this car? How are you gonna feel when you own the Rolex? And that's all using this technique, living in the end. And back in the 70s, 80s, we have this thing called American dreams. Myself, my family, immigrant to US, to United States. So my parents exposed to that era, American dreams. All right, so same thing here. They give you a scenario, a scene about coming here to America, and you will better your life. You will have better education for your kids, but they don't tell you there's a lot of different obstacles, and then people are just taking actions without even thinking, and they just show up here. They don't speak English. They don't worry about how they're gonna find work and how they're gonna start living here. And you heard a lot of stories that people have only $100 or $50 when they first arrive here in America. See? Same here. They are using this technique, living in the end. This technique has been understood for decades. I mean, I'm thinking mostly for centuries as well. People are using this technique. So now the question is, how are you going to use this in your daily life, and how can you start practicing it? You can combine the example that I just used. You can start exposing yourself, like myself, to content, to courses. I'm not asking you to take any particular courses, but what you can do is start joining communities. Now you can find like-minded people and to get yourself into imagination, and you can have the feeling state, and you can start have your state of mind, state of being into that person. Become that person right now, right here, right now. You can use books, you can use courses, you can join the community like I mentioned. If you may be looking into more spiritual journey like my people, like myself, I'm starting a school community. It's called Quantum Consciousness Portal. I'll put the link in the show note. I want to invite you to join this community. So that being said, you can also do meditation. When you do sleep meditations, before you drift into sleep, you can create a scene in your mind on what you desire, like the condo apartment that I was sharing with you, like the multi-passionate entrepreneur, multi-stream of income that I described, or the American dream. If you have a desire to maybe travel, you can pick a destination and just get a few images online, start putting yourself into it. When you use this technique, you have to become that person. You're going to be the first POV, okay, first person point of view. You're not going to be the observer. You're not the person watching the movie, not yet, okay? You have to be the actor. You have to be the creator of that movie first. In order to manifest your dreams, the experience that you want to express into the 3D dimension reality, then you will start experiencing as an observer when it materializes, right? Just like the movie, you have to make the movie. You have to be the actor, you have to be the script writer, you have to be the director, producer of the movie before you can watch the movie, right? Before the movie is made into the movie, right? You can use practicing this technique before you drift to sleep, because our brain will move from beta state to alpha, and before you drift to sleep into theta, that's the portal of your subconscious mind that you can impress this concept of yourself and this concept of the experience that you want to express into your subconscious mind, which your subconscious mind will materialize for you in the 3D dimension. So if you like this type of content or want to learn more Or maybe you want to start, become more spiritual, become more curious, or you're a truth seeker. You can subscribe to this channel. This is the type of the content that I create. If you're already using this technique, you can write your experience in the comment. Do this practice tonight and let me know in your comment. Thank you for watching. And I will see you guys on the next one.